guys, всем привет, добро пожаловать, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful chocolate chickpea cakes. They're so good. They're very healthy. They don't have anything bad in there or you could be potentially allergic to. So I really hope you enjoy these. They kind of taste like a souffle, chocolate souffle. Not the same that we're used to, but like a vegan version of it. And you can get access to all my recipes on my membership, AllasYummyFood.com/recipes. Become a member and join thousands of other students just like you and get access to all my amazing recipes every single month. Now let's get started. Into your food processor, add your ripe bananas. The sweeter they are, the better they are. Just break them down, then add your chickpeas drained, your milk of your choice. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your coconut sugar and then softened coconut oil, your cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and we're gonna blitz everything together until it's nice and smooth. This won't take very long, just blitz until it all comes together. And the mixture will look just like this. Then transfer everything into a bowl, add your almond flour, and mix everything together until the mixture comes together nice and smooth. This is such a quick and easy recipe. You're gonna love this one. You're then gonna use any mold of your choice. I'm using these square molds and spoon the batter right inside. Make sure to not overfill your molds because they are gonna rise a little bit and we don't want them to pop out. So once you filled your mold fully, just like this, you're then gonna go ahead and add your sliced bananas right in the middle. This is gonna add so much flavor and texture. Then we're gonna add some dark chopped chocolate. You can use your vegan chocolate and some sugar on top again. I'm using coconut sugar. This will help to caramelize these banana delicious cakes. It's gonna be amazing. We're then gonna place this in the oven and bake these until they're done. And I'm just gonna show you how they look once they come out. Absolutely insane. The smell is amazing. They look so good. Look at that. So gorgeous. Transfer them on a cooling rack, leave them to cool down, and then gently turn them out and get them out of your mold. Once they've cooled down, I'm using a board method so they can easily pop out. So I'm going to turn them around and then switch them up again once I'm done onto my decorative plate. Use a bit of icing sugar to decorate them if you wish, and here they are, absolutely gorgeous, so beautiful. You can add extra chocolate on top while serving them. You can have them hot or cold, it's really up to you. The texture is just so smooth and nice, and you can never tell there's chickpeas inside, but they're so healthy, full of protein, and just absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you to try them and let me know what you think.